Welcome to Chemistry 140. Those of you who complete this course, I will feel proud to have called my students. Those of your classmates who chose not to participate in this course with you will feel themselves diminished for having missed it. This will undoubtedly be the most enjoyable, interesting course you'll have your entire college career. Welcome again to Chemistry 140. My name is Dr. Kelly. I'm located in beautiful Elizabethtown, Kentucky, which I should point out means that I am located in the Eastern Central Standard Time Zone, or New York time. Those of you in Western Kentucky or in the Central Time Zone will need to remember that when it comes to due times that you're an hour off. Native Murrian, by the way, so nothing against Western Kentucky there. Go Tigers. But at any rate, let's see. I'm located in Elizabethtown. The best way to contact me is through a message board I've set up. I check it at least once a day, Monday through Friday. So you'll have a response in less than 24 hours. I've got a whole section of the welcome lecture on that, so I won't get ahead of myself there. I have an office phone, but I never answer it. The reason being is if I'm in my office, I usually have somebody in here with me, and I'm not going to not help somebody face-to-face to answer the phone. Also, this is a chemistry class, and chemistry is kind of math-based, so if you try to contact me over the phone to answer a question, I can't really help you because you can't see my sheet of paper and I can't see your sheet of paper. So if you post a question on the message board, then I can generate a flash movie or generate a movie or generate a live scribe, and we'll go into all of those separately here in a second, that will help you and let you see the answer to your question just like you were in the office next to me. But I can't do that over the phone. I can only use those tools if you contact me over the question help message board. Course description. As stated in the KCTS catalog, this introduces topics in general chemistry, including properties of matter, stoichiometry, gases, atomic structure bonding, etc. This is an introduction to general chemistry, meaning that if you've never had chemistry before, this is absolutely the right class for you. This class serves a couple of different functions. First, this class serves as a preparation for people wanting to take Chemistry 170. It's also a course that is required for some majors. Some of the health science majors require this course, depending on where you're going. Nursing or radiography may. Depending on where you're going, agriculture may. Those programs all split between whether they want 140 or 170, depending on where you're transferring to. It used to be middle school education would take this class. I think they've changed that, but this is a course that's required for some majors. Therefore, there is a minimum standard that you have to meet. This is also an American Chemical Society course, meaning the American Chemical Society says that there's certain things I have to cover for you in this course. That having been said, let me reiterate, this is an introductory course. This is a course where if you do the work, you ask me questions so that you're understanding the information going into the exam, you're going to do okay. But you have to do that work, right? This isn't rocks for jocks, right? I'm not rubber stamping and giving A's, but at the same time, this isn't Chemistry 170 where I tell you look to your left, look to your right. The majority of the people who take this course with me finish it and finish it with a high grade. But there is going to be some work expected of you, and you have to communicate. One of the worst things you can do in this class is suffer in silence. I am here to help you. I'm wanting to help you. I have some amazing tools with which to help you, but I can only help you if you ask for questions. And I've got it's so important, I've got a 16-minute part of this welcome lecture dedicated to telling you how to ask questions. Education major baloney here. Textbook, we've got a section here coming up for telling you how to access your textbook and your calculator. Therefore, I'm actually going to break this lecture right here before it gets too long and ask you to write down the word Cleveland Browns. Why don't you write down Cleveland Browns? Once you've written down Cleveland Browns, you're done with this portion of the syllabus quiz, or I mean the welcome lecture. Whoops, write down Cleveland Browns. Neat.